In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a freebie PDF for download in Wix. This is a great way to enhance your website by providing visitors with free downloadable content, whether it's a guide, a checklist, or any other resource you'd like to share. Let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have your project open in the editor. Once you're there, look over to the left panel. Here, you'll find a variety of options to help you customize your site to fit your needs. For this task, direct your attention to the option labeled Add Apps. This section is a treasure trove of tools and widgets that can help you elevate the functionality of your site. Now go ahead and click on Add Apps. Once you're inside, there's a convenient search bar where you can type in the name of the app you're looking for. In our case, search for PDF Viewer. This app is perfect for displaying your PDF files right on your site, making it easy for visitors to access and download your content. Once you find the PDF Viewer app in your search results, click Add to Site. This will start installing the app directly into your Wix project. After the app is added, the next step you need to take is uploading the PDF file that you want to provide as a freebie. This could be any PDF document that you have ready, and Wix makes this process incredibly straightforward. The app will give you clear instructions and prompts, so follow them to get your PDF uploaded into the viewer. Once uploaded, you'll want to consider how you'd like the document to be displayed on your website. The app offers a variety of display options. For example, you might choose to show your PDF as an inline document, which means it will display directly on the page. Alternatively, you could display it as a button, or even within a full window. Think about what works best for your site's design and the experience you want to provide for your visitors. Each display option offers unique advantages, so select the one that enhances the flow and aesthetics of your web page. Next, you have the opportunity to customize the design of your PDF viewer. Customization is key to ensuring that your PDF download feature fits seamlessly with the rest of your site's aesthetic. You can easily adjust the size of the viewer to suit the layout of your page, tweak border designs, and make other stylistic choices that align with your brand. Take your time with this step to ensure consistency and visual appeal. And there you have it. Your freebie PDF is now integrated into your Wix site and ready for visitors to download and enjoy. Customizing your site with these features not only enriches your content, but also enhances user engagement, solidifying your site's professionalism and appeal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to share valuable resources through your Wix website seamlessly.